How you doing? I'm gonna make a potato and tuna salad today. Really simple, really delicious. You can kind of play around and adapt it how you like, but that is really good. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got 3 cups of potatoes here, cut nice and small, peeled them, cooked them away with a little bit of salt, like I say, nice and tiny. 2 cups of cucumber, 2 cups of bell peppers, half a cup of onion, about a cup of tuna from a can, 1 cup there of dill. Dill's a big flavor in here. That's the zest grated off of a large lemon. And then here we've got olive oil and lemon juice. It's about 3 tablespoons of each. Little bit of salt and pepper, quick mix, job done. Okay, mixing bowl, all goes in. So the potatoes are in, cucumber, again, all cut nice and small. If you want, get some pickles in here if you want. Bell peppers, lovely bit of color. Onion, I like the kind of harshness of a red onion. It's quite kind of harsh. I like it in there. The canned tuna, the little bit of zest, beautiful that is. A large amount of dill. If you're not a dill lover, switch this to maybe parsley or something like that. Salt, black pepper, going to be quite generous with the black pepper, the olive oil, try and use a nice quality one. This is an absolutely beautiful olive oil from Syria, it's really delicious. Lemon juice, like I said, about 3 tablespoons each. We're going to grab a spoon, we're going to give it a mix. Think about other things. You might want to get some anchovies in there, some olives or something like that, Little mix, job done. Okay, told you it wasn't going to be long today. That's a beautiful salad. Think about other things in there like hard-boiled eggs and things like that. Adapt it how you like. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.